Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to know how to learn AWS. Yes, it is an Amazon Web Services. So a step-by-step process I would like to share with you. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Yes, Harisystems is also offering vast range of online courses. If you are interested, find below link. Let's begin the session. See, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm just trying to share my views along with the artificial intelligence view, the step-by-step how you learn AWS to make you master more than others. Let's see. My question is how to learn AWS. It's nothing but Amazon Web Services. Let's see. It's a learning AWS Amazon Web Services can be a great way to develop your skills in cloud computing environment. It's a great cloud support environment which is established by Amazon. So here see, start basics of beginning by learning fundamentals of AWS such as different services offered and use cases, what the type of services Amazon Web Services is offering, and ability of zones and security in terms of security. And next gets like a hands-on experience of offers and the services, how it will function and how the cost it would be. Yes, and setting up EC2 instances, how the virtual machine instance in AWS will be called as EC2 instance, S3 storage and buckets, RDS databases. Most of the databases are similar to SQL language. And take online courses. To learn this AWS, many of the online courses are available in nowadays. Even if you are looking for free, go for YouTube and check with the Amazon Web Services courses. And blogs are there. Yes, you can find it. And read AWS documentation. It's a provide comprehensive documentation for all official documents. How to API references, how to start the services, how to establish, and even AWS is offering free account to test your skills and practice the real-time environments. And join AWS community. Yes, by joining this community, you will be cope up with the real-world experts and what they are getting problems and solutions, what their experience they will share in there. Just try it out and practice. Yes. To regularly you have to practice and experiment the different services, how to configure, how to make them to functional, these all the things. These real world problem solving skills, if you are added in your career and in your skill set in AWS, then definitely you will be inside as a AWS professional in cloud environment. Why don't you try today? If you feel this video lecture is really helping you for a step-by-step guide how to start learning AWS, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.